How many times have you missed those good trades just because you're too slow? A signal comes on Telegram, you open MT4, start copying details, and before you hit buy or sell, the market has already moved. However, it's not that the signal was bad, it's the delay that ruins the entry. This is why today, we're here to show you how you can automatically copy Telegram signals directly into MT4. And to do that, we have a tool, the Telegram Signal Copier. So now, let's see how it works. To begin with, you have to install the Telegram Signal Copier software on your system or on a VPS. If you want your trades to run without interruption, using a VPS is highly recommended because it stays online 24/7. However, if you are just getting started, a regular Windows PC works perfectly fine to understand the setup and test how everything works. We've already uploaded a video about how to set up and install the software. Check out if you need any assistance. Now, once the software is installed, you connect your Telegram account inside the application. This step simply allows the copier to read the signal messages from the Telegram channels or groups you already follow. You are not changing anything inside Telegram, and you are not giving control of your account to anyone. You are only giving permission to read incoming messages, so the signals can be processed automatically. After that, you move to MT4 and install the Expert Advisor that comes with Telegram Signal Copier. You place the EA file inside the Experts folder, restart MT4, and then attach the EA to a chart. At the same time, you make sure that automated trading is enabled. This step is important because MT4 can only place trades automatically when auto trading is turned on. Now let's talk about the most important part, the configuration. This is where you stay in control of your risk. Here, you decide how trades will be executed. You can set fixed or dynamic lot sizes, adjust stop loss and take profit rules, apply different filters, and even choose which symbols or signal formats are allowed. Because of these settings, you are not blindly copying trades. Instead, every trade follows rules that you have defined based on your own trading style and risk tolerance. Once everything is configured properly, you simply start the copier. From that moment onward, whenever a new signal arrives on Telegram, it is automatically executed in MT4 without any manual action from you. This way, you avoid delays, reduce execution errors, and let the system handle the process. Meanwhile, you can focus on managing your overall trading strategy. Now, one question remains unanswered. Why is this setup so effective? Well, the simple answer is speed. See, you're getting the signals almost instantly, which means there's no room for late entries. At the same time, automation removes emotional decision-making because trades are placed exactly according to predefined rules. In addition, the AI-based signal parsing allows you to copy both text and image signals accurately, which is a major advantage over basic copy tools. On top of that, the system supports multiple Telegram channels and multiple trading platforms, so even if you expand beyond MT4 in the future, the same workflow will be applied to them too. In short, this approach works well for beginners who want to avoid execution mistakes, intermediate traders who follow multiple signal providers, and even advanced traders who manage several accounts at the same time. Basically, if you rely on Telegram signals and trade using MT4, this automation removes a major operational headache from your daily routine. By automating Telegram signals into MT4 using Telegram Signal Copier, you reduce delays, avoid human errors, and bring more structure into your trading process. Because good trading is not only about finding good signals, but also about executing them correctly and consistently.